Um, in almost every project of agentic AI that we worked upon, agents are actually wrapping existing systems, and they're not replacing uh, your existing systems. So um, typically, we've seen agents sit above your existing stack, which could comprise of about 5, 10, 15 siloed tools. Um, uh, these agents would unify your data and they would orchestrate workflows uh, within your existing systems instead of forcing you to rewrite everything in your existing stack.
It's one of my favorite examples is a real estate workflow automation platform. It brings PDFs, emails, underwriting data, leasing tools into a single layer, and then agent sits on top of that to prepare summaries, answer questions, and move work forward. Right?
Yeah, that is a use case we're very proud of, Dorota. And I remember the kind of excitement we had when we spoke about that for the first time.